Oh, welcome to Barcelona. A formation of fighter aircraft is perhaps one of the most agile teams on the planet, and it has to be because the operating environment is characterized by very high complexity, and because of the speeds involved, decisions are very, very time critical. The attribute which gives the team this high level of agility is autonomy. And I'll say that again, the attribute which gives the team the high level of agility is autonomy. So if you want to create a more agile team, you can't just send the team off to do a workshop or an online course and expect anything to change. It takes you as the leader to set a very clear and concise goal and then have the courage and the confidence to push decision-making responsibility down to the lowest possible level where the information is rich and where the action happens. The attribute which gives the team agility is autonomy.